In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a Google Drive external integration. Google Drive is a cloud-based storage service developed by Google that allows users to store, access, and share files online. In the agentic platform, agents can leverage files from a Google Drive via an external integration that you need to create and customize to your needs. Before creating the integration with Google Drive, you must ensure that you have created Google JSON key credentials by going to Administration Credentials and Models. Learn how to create them by reading our dedicated documentation page. Once you have dedicated Google JSON key credentials, you can create a Google Drive data source by going to Data Sources, External Integrations. Click Add External Integration. Then select Google Drive to create a new integration. Now, you can configure the external integration to fit your use case. Start by giving it a clear and concise name. Select the credentials to use for this data source. Next, provide a short description of the integration by specifying what types of files it contains and what they talk about, for example. Select the language of the files in your Google Drive. Finally, click Add External Integration to finalize the creation. Once the creation is confirmed, click back to External Integrations list to return to the list of external integrations. The Google Drive integration is now available in the list with the created status. Wait until the status of the integration indicates ready before testing any agent with this data source, as the files need to be processed first.